How to remove Facebook account from your Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram. So first thing, simply head over to your Instagram application, and once you're inside here, just click on your profile section, and from over here just click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once you click on it, you have to click on this account center, and once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see this account section. You can also add more accounts from here, so simply click on this, and once you click on it, you'll be seeing all of your Instagram and Facebook account as well. And as you can see, there is my one Facebook account. So to remove it, I simply have to click on this remove option just like this, and it will ask me to confirm my remove account, and simply click on remove account. Once again, just click on continue from over here, and just click on yes, finish removing, and it will successfully remove your Facebook account from your Instagram. So that is how you remove your Facebook account from your Instagram. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.